LinkedIn has 1 billion users, but only 3% of them are using LinkedIn's Creator Mode. Now, if you don't know what LinkedIn Creator Mode is, it is a suite of additional features that help you to amplify your content on LinkedIn. So if you don't have Creator Mode turned on, you probably don't want to get discovered on LinkedIn. And if you do want to get discovered on LinkedIn, you need to turn on Creator Mode. So I'm going to walk you through a little bit about some of the features of LinkedIn's Creator Mode. Let's go. The first really great feature that I like to highlight is the Talks About section. It gives you the ability to have these additional hashtags on your profile. And these things do 2 things for you. Number 1 is they show exactly what people can expect when they come to visit your profile. So when a new profile visitor comes, they can see the topics that are listed there and know exactly what you're all about. So make sure that you choose all 5 and that you highlight 5 things that are very relevant to what you do and how you help your clients. And the other reason that they're really helpful is that they are also good for SEO. So when somebody searches one of these terms and you are an active creator on LinkedIn, you are going to be more likely to come up in a search as an expert in that area. So for example, if you search video marketing on LinkedIn and do a people search, you may be very likely to find yours truly. All right, second really good feature of Creator Mode is that it allows you to have not just connections, but also followers, which means that you have the ability to have people still follow your content without necessarily sending you a connection request. This is super helpful, especially for those people that are very picky with who they connect with, but still want to attract and get more eyes on their content. Advantage number 3 is that you're able to have a custom link or a custom button. In my case, if you look at my profile right now, you see a big View My Portfolio button. It is a link that takes you to my portfolio of videos which are on my website. You can put a calendar link to book an appointment with you. You can link for people to sign up for your newsletter. You can link to your YouTube channel, podcast, wherever you would like people to go, you have the ability to send them there. This is a great feature, and it's pretty cool that LinkedIn is letting you send people to other platforms. A couple of the other advantages that you get with Creator Mode are post analytics. You're able to measure your impressions, how many people are engaging with your content, as well as your audience growth and profile views. And then to close it out, you gain access to some of the content formats that are not available to users who are not on Creator Mode. So if you are interested in doing a LinkedIn live event or an audio event or creating a LinkedIn newsletter, you need to have Creator Mode turned on in order to enable those particular features. So essentially, the only reason to not have Creator Mode turned on is if you're trying to not get discovered on LinkedIn. LinkedIn also tends to promote the posts from people who are in Creator Mode over those who are not. And now that we know that you're not trying to hide on LinkedIn and you actually want to be seen and discovered, another great way to do that is to have a strong profile headline. If you have not seen my previous video, go check it out. I talk about how to make a killer headline. And I'll catch you on the next one.